Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to translate a web page content in Chrome app on your Android phone. So let's launch a website which is in the foreign language, say suppose news.de, which is a German news site. So once you launch, the content in this website is mostly loaded in a German language, which I'm not aware of. So whenever I launch, it will display me this translate page option, translate page to German to English, and if I choose translate command here at the top, it will automatically translate the page to English language from German. If I want to switch back, what I can do is I can tap on that undo command, and there is also option to translate here with the three dot options, and choose translate, which will again bring back this option. Now there are certain options here. If you tap on this gear icon here, you have this option to choose always translate pages in German, or never translate pages in German, or never translate this site. So you can choose from these options, and if you want to translate German to some other language, you can tap on this more languages and choose any language from the available list, and it will automatically translate to that particular language. Say suppose I choose French, so the German language is translated to French, and if I just tap undo, and it will bring back to the German. So in this way you can choose any language and translate the page using the built-in Google Translate option in Chrome app. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.